You are welcome to another video tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn how to compose and send email messages using our email account. And you can only complete this mission by logging in or signing in into your email account. And we are going to use two platforms to perform this operation, that is the Google Mail and also the Yahoo Mail. So I'm going to walk you through how to use the Google Mail and also the Yahoo Mail to compose and send email messages. I'm going to use the Google Chrome browser to perform this task. In the address bar, I'm going to search for Gmail. So if you are not signed in into your email account, you are going to get this interface and you are to enter your username, that is your email account. So after typing your Gmail or your email account, you click on next. And in this interface, you are going to enter your confidential characters, which are your password. So after signing in or logging into your email account, you're going to get your email account interface, and this is where you can compose and send email messages. So to do this, at the top left corner we have this compose button, and when you left click on this button, you are going to get this window, and the title bar says new message. We have these buttons which you can use to control this window. The first one is minimize. We also have the full screen, and also we have the save and close button. So if I click on this, I'm going to have the maximize view of this window. And currently the cursor is blinking in the to field, and this is where you are going to enter the recipient address. So you type the recipient address in this field. So after typing the recipient address, you click in the subject field and type a brief statement about the body of the message. Now, let me show you one thing. In the to field at the right side, we have CC and BCC. And these two elements are different elements used in our email account interface, which help us to decide and also determine how to send our messages. So if you are sending messages to two or more people, you may prefer to go for the CC or the BCC based on the content to be sent to those recipients. So this is one thing I want you to have an overview of it, and I have a video that explains how the CC and the BCC works, and I'm going to drop the link in the description below, so you just click on the link and check out and see how the carbon copy and also the blank carbon copy works in our email account interface. So after typing the subject, you come to the compose area. This is where you are going to enter the body of the message. So after typing the body of the message, you come below this and you have some tools here which you can use to format your message. We have this font type here, so you can select this and change the font type to any font type that you want. And this is similar to Microsoft Word, where you can use the font group to format your text in a Word document. So it is similar, so you can change the font type. You can also go to this option and change the view of this size. If you want to be large, you can choose large. So depending on whoever you are sending the message to, you can choose what type of size of the text you want to use. You can also bold, italize, you can also underline. You have this option you can apply to your text in the email account interface. So when you are done with this, you come below here, we have this option as send. You can click on it, or you can hold the control key and the enter key. And you have the preview here, and it says message sent. So you can view the message. So you can click to view the message, and it says this message has been sent, and this is the time, and also you are going to have the email address of the recipient here. When you close this and go to your sent option, you have this email message that was sent. So when you click on it, you can view it, and this signifies that you have sent this particular message. So this is how to compose and send message using the Gmail account interface. Now, after performing any task with your email account, it is very necessary for you to log out. So let's log out from this account. Then you click on sign out. Now let's see how to compose and send email messages using our Yahoo account. So let's create a new tab, and in the address bar I'm going to search for Yahoo. This is the home page of Yahoo search engine, and when you look at the right side of this search box, we have this sign in option. So to access the interface and compose and send email messages, you have to sign in into your Yahoo account. So let's have a once click on this. You are going to have this interface, and we have to sign in into our email account. So let's scroll down and use another account, and it says type your email address or username. So after typing your email address, you click on the next option, and this prompts you to enter your password. Then you click on next. Now we have logged in into our email account. So when you come to this side, we have our initials shown here. Therefore, if you want to compose and send email message, you can click on this mail tab and click on go to mail, or you can click on this option, and this is going to link us into our email account interface. Now that we have this interface, we can easily compose and send email messages using our email account. At the top left, we have this compose button. So I'm going to have a once click on it, and this is going to display the compose window where you have to type your recipient address. So after typing your email address, you can also use your CC and the BCC. And in the subject field, you are going to type the short phrase about the message. So after your subject, you click in the compose area and type the message you want to send to the recipient. So after typing your message, you also have these options here. You can apply some formatting to your text. So you can bold this and you can see the effect here. So any formatting styles and editing styles you want to apply to this, you can use these options below. So after that, you can click on this send button, and you have a feedback that says your message has been sent. So if I go to my sent folder, I'm going to see the sent message, and that is the message shown here. So it means that I have sent this particular message to my recipient. So this is how to compose and send messages using your Yahoo account. So now that we've sent this message, we can log out from this account. So you click on your initials, then you choose sign out all if you have double accounts displayed in this area. So now we have logged out. So the next time you want to access your email account interface and compose a message, you have to sign in. And always when you log out, it prevents other people to get access to your email account. Hope you like this video. Please give it a like, and we shall meet in our next video.